So guys, nandito tayo sa Saint Michael and Saint George, the Cathedral Church of the Bishop of the Forces. Ayan siya. So hindi ko alam kung naka-open siya. Tingnan natin. Close siya guys. So yun yung entrance. So every Sunday 11 AM ang mass. Taas nyo. Dito to sa papuntang Aldershot. Sa Hampshire. So, ayun yung surroundings Ayun yung church. Hanggang sa gilid. Nandito ako sa side. Tapos nandito. In memory of 280 officers and 8187 WOS, di ko alam, and men of the Royal Army Service Corps who laid down their lives for their country during the Great War. Okay. In memory of the officers and soldiers of the Royal Corps of Transport and their predecessors who have died in other wars or campaigns since the founding of the Royal Wagoners. Okay. So anyway guys, balik na tayo. Ganda ng church patusok. So let's go. Uwi na tayo.